My name's and this is Matilda. Now what we're going to do is talk a little bit about their natural abilities and the environment, but also have a lot of fun along the way as well. But to start, Matilda always likes to raise her flag, so when she gets that all the way to the top, give her a nice little clap. But I always like to start the show with a question. So, tell me what the most commonly kept pet parrot is.
Budgery girl.
Budgie, yeah. Well done. It is actually, it's as easy as that. Now, parrots come in different sizes, different shapes, and different colours. Matilda is a Catalina macaw, which is a very special breed. It's between a scarlet macaw and a blue and yellow. She's waving at you all. But also, if you take a look at Matilda's feet, you'll see that 2 toes point forwards and 2 toes point backwards. Now that's called zygodactyl, and all parrots have these feet, so thank you, Matilda. And just moving down to the gorgeous green bird, this is Gunner. Gunner is a military macaw. Does anyone know how long Gunner should live? 60 years, definitely. Average, Gunner will live 60, 70, or even 80 years. They live a very long time. They can't live their owners. They need lots of dedication, commitment, and lots of attention. They can also be very destructive. Gunner is an extremely naughty parrot. But with that, she is also very loving. So just to show you how loving Gunner is, I'm afraid I need a few volunteers. Oh, by the way, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, come to the front, anyone else? Is that it? You come and stand on the stage. Stand on the stage, that's it. And just face the audience. Gunner's going to give all of you a little kiss. It's a special kiss, but Gunner, we don't want no lips. We don't want no lips.
Oh, I don't want it.
Oh, she's alright, look, she'll give me a kiss first. Gunner. Very nice. Very nice. And this little one here as well, Gunner. Pay attention. That's it. Very nice. Uncomfortable, Gunner. Very nice. Give our volunteers a clap. So, as I said, Gunner, extremely destructive, but very loving as well. Now, as you're aware, parrots are very good. They don't really talk as such. It is just mimicking sounds and different words. But out of all the parrots here today, Gunner has got by far the best hello. So on 3, say hello, Gunner. 1, 2, 3. Very nice. And Gunner, just a little more. Very nice. Give Gunner a clap. It doesn't just have to be talking, it can also be things like body movements as well. Parrot dancing is a very common form of mimicry, but so is whistling. So those of you that can whistle, can you whistle at Matilda? Thank you, very loud Matilda. But Matilda is a bit of a confused parrot. Sometimes she knows that she's a parrot, but other times she feels more like a duck. So Matilda, dare I ask, how are you feeling today? Matilda feels more like a duck every day. Just take a look at Archie, Jake and Bobby. They're going to do their fruit bat impressions for you. Bobby's is the best as well. Very good, Bobby. We're just waiting on Jake. You can come up whenever you're ready, Bobby. I've got a hand there. Jake, are you going to do your fruit bat?
Oh, you're doing it
again. You've just got to try and get his position in. That was a rubbish fruit bat there from Jake. Archie's learning the fruit bat. Bobby, there you go. Give the boys a clap. Very good. And Bobby also got his name because he always likes to bob his head. Look at that. Very nice. Well done, Bobby. But moving along then, if you take a look at their beaks, you'll see they're very strong and very agile. They use them a little bit like a third foot to help pull themselves around up trees and up branches. So one of the things we're going to show you today, just to see how gentle they can also be, is a little bit of a parrot football training. So we have our goal post and our training cones as well. But this is ordinary football. The birds are going to have to dribble the ball down the table, in and out of the cones, and fingers crossed at the end score a goal. Now this is Bobby's game, so hopefully Bobby's showing some excitement. Bobby, you want to play some football? He bobbed his head, that's always a good start. Come on then. Good boy? Very good. So Bobby's very good at parrot football. If he scores a goal, they give him a nice little cheer. Well then. Well done, Bobby. In and out of those cones, please. Or just do whatever you want, that's fine. Well done, Bobby. So as you can see, Bobby is good at parrot football. He plays it every single day, so it is part of his daily routine. Exercise for him as well, but not only that, it's very good enrichment, and it is very important for all parrots to have lots of enrichment because they are such intelligent birds. But football isn't the only sport they like to play. They also enjoy a little bit of parrot basketball. So we have our miniature basketball net and our basketball as well. But as you can all see, it's a very soft plastic basketball. The birds are going to have to be very gentle with their beaks and bring it down the table. This is Archie's game, so come on then Archie. If he puts it through the hoop again, give him a nice little clap. He gets awfully excited about the basketball. So again, Archie is very, very good at basketball. But going back to what I said at the start of the show, with Matilda's zygodactyl feet, the 2 toes forwards and the 2 toes backwards, she is going to show you all how she can use her special feet as she owns her very own pair of parrot